COVID-19 pandemic has devastated all tourism activities to a standstill. Even though everyone wants to travel, personal and family health is the highest priority right now. So staying at home is the best choice. This has an impact on decreasing tourism sector income globally, including Indonesia. Flights are limited, hotels are not filled, and various tourist attractions are empty of visitors. Imagine how tourist attractions that have been popular all this time suddenly become empty and far from the hustle and bustle of tourists. Likewise, other regions rely on tourists as a source of regional income. Many hotel employees have been laid off, souvenir sellers have no income, and restaurant seats are no longer full. Will the future of Indonesia tourism after the pandemic be bleak? To find out the answer to all the questions, let's leave this to our reporters who are already in the field. Please to Agus.
Yes, thank you to Chiki who is in the studio. But viewers, thinking positively in the midst of default time is not always easy. However, adaptation and flexibility are the main keys that must be held by anyone involved in the hospitality and tourist industry. After all, that is the only thing that keep happening in the world. So, changing strategies to survive the pandemic is a realistic step the tourist activists can take. For more details, let's ask one of the owner of the exciting tourist attraction.
Good afternoon. I think all hotels, airlines, and travel again will immediately lower the prices in effort to attract customers. The Vetro was successful in the short term, but not the long term. I'm trying to set my sales strategy by making several innovations. For example, opening a virtual tour to various interesting tourist support using Google Art, completely with the story behind the place and a new experience that will attract the interest of traveling fans.
So, in your opinion, that is one way to deal with the problems that occur in various exciting tourist attractions.
Yes, of course, maybe those aren't effective way.
Okay, Aziza, but is there another way? Maybe the method you just mentioned might not work?
Of course, I have other ways. For example, focusing on customer, maximizing digital marketing, creating new trends in Indonesia tours, and maybe we can also create the outdoor tourist attraction.
Wow, is that out? You have a lot of good ideas, Aziza. I hope everything you plan can be implemented well and run smoothly.
Thank you for support. I will try my best because there is still hope for the future of Indonesia tourism after the pandemic. The most important thing to do now is to focus on aggressively controlling the pandemic sus, 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 as such as texting, tariff, isolation, and fighting for economics recovery will be easy to the latter when the number of slopes and shows positive trend. Agree.
Yes, I personally really agree. Okay, thank you for the very satisfying answer, Aziza. And from now on, we'll head is back to Chiki who is in the studio. Please go to Chiki.
Okay, thank you to Agus who is in the field. Well, our viewers will come back again after this one ad.
Penonton, si Kevin sama si Wiwin lagi perang dingin.
Nutrisari gue jangan diminum, woi. Siapa yang minum? Udah habis aja kali.
Aha, untung ada
Nurdin, Nutrisari dingin. Jeruk peras, sedep Milky Orange, mantap ini.
Es kuut nipis, mantap kali.
Dinginin hati, minum Nutrisari dingin. Rasanya banyak, nyegerin, dan bervitamin.
Okay, next we will have a question and answer session with our guest who is currently beside me. Hi Vina, welcome to this event. May I ask you a few questions?
Hi Kiki, thank you for invite me to this event. Please add anything you want to know. I will answer as best I can.
Okay Vina, first of all, what I want to ask is why do traditional arts and culture need to be preserved?
Because this is a form of appreciation and respect for the ancestor, the unique culture of the archipelago makes us the Indonesian nation now to other countries as country rich in culture and tradition.
Then, how do we preserve this nation culture?
We can study national culture, introduce our culture to other countries, and the most important thing is not to be influenced by foreign culture.
Very good answer, Vina, but is the only thing that can be done so that this nation remains preserved?
Of course, not preserving culture here can start with small decisions as avoiding restoration, outgrown culture here, not destroying objects, and protecting the surrounding environment by not throwing rubbish carelessly. We can slow preserve it by feeding out the values content in the disseminating the knowledge. If with if we don't protect culture here, the now will.
Wow, that's a cool answer and really motivates all of us and also the audience. Okay, thank you Vina for your time and all your satisfying answer. That's all the news I can convey to all of you. Thank you and see you again.